Assalamu alaikum, all viewers. You are welcome to my channel, Education PK. Today, I am going to discuss about geography of Pakistan. The topic is climate of Pakistan. First of all, you should know what is the difference between weather and climate. If you see, daily atmospheric condition for an area is called weather, but weather conditions which are average of more than 30 years of an area, that is called climate. There is also a main question: explain why the monsoon winds develop. The answer is that during summer, low rain pressure is developed over Pakistan while high air pressure prevails over Bay of Bengal. So, moist wind from Bay of Bengal blow towards land to fulfill the vacuum. It reaches Pakistan after crossing India, called primary monsoon. Monsoon winds from Arabian Sea is called secondary monsoon. These winds causes rain from July to September. A sharp decline is seen in amount of rain from north to south. You are also asked to explain the importance of the arrival of the monsoon to the people who live and work in urban areas. As you know, climate became pleasant due to monsoon. Conditions become better and living conditions also become healthy. There is reduced air pollution and dust from atmosphere. Monsoon also provide water for drinking, gardens and livestock. But there are also few problems. These monsoon may cause flooding. They can harm property. People cannot reach workplace. So there may be a decrease production. As you know, there are three types of rain is experienced in Pakistan: monsoon, depression, and convection. Sometimes you are asked why rising air is needed to produce rain. The answer is that rising air is needed to produce rain because rising air cools down and condensates. So clouds form and rain occur. This is a phenomenon of rain. Rising air is produced in three ways in Pakistan. Firstly, summer monsoon winds rising up along the northern hills and mountains. Secondly, rising air occurs in depression, which are low air pressure cloud system. Air rises up due to low air pressure in depression clouds formed due to condensation. Thirdly, warm air rises because of convection. Heated land warm up the air and it rises up. High altitude causing cooling, condensation takes place and clouds are formed. This causes thunderstorm and rainfall. Then there is a question: explain why western areas has most of its rainfall during winter. The reason is that western areas receive rain in winter from western depression. These depressions are low air pressure system developed on Mediterranean passes through Turkey, Iran, and Afghanistan and enters Pakistan. So they cause rain in Pakistan from December to March. Since Pakistan is at tail end, so these brings light rain. The amount of rain decreases from north to south of Pakistan. The next is sometime it is asked you are required to name those areas which receive high rain in both summer and winter. So these areas include Murree, Rawalpindi, Jhelum in northern Punjab, Peshawar in KPK. Now you should know which areas receive the highest rainfall from December to March. Murree in northern Punjab, Quetta in Balochistan, Peshawar in KPK. Then why western depression are more useful for agriculture than monsoon? The reason is that monsoon rainfall varies in timing, amount and distribution occurs in heavy showers. On the other hand, so it is not absorbed in soil and mostly water drains off. Evapotranspiration rate is also high in summer, while in case of western depression, which occurs in light shower absorbed by soil, evapotranspiration rate is low in winter. Western depression is useful for rabi crop. Monsoon is useful if water is stored in dams and barrages. Now, what are advantages and disadvantages of winter rainfall in northern Pakistan? First of all, winter rainfall provides water in rivers and fill reservoirs. It provides water for irrigation and hydroelectricity production. Water became available for rabi crops. Winter rain is in light showers, so absorbed by soil. Snowfall increases tourism. It provides water when everything is frozen. But there are also some problems, which include that it may fall in the form of snow, rivers and lakes are frozen. Temperature is too cold for growth of crops and plants may cause floods, landsliding, roads are closed or become slippery. Farmers are forced to adopt transhumance way of livestock. Then there is a question, why does rainfall instead of rain in winter? It is snowfall. Low climatic temperature and high altitude of northern mountains and western mountains are the main causes of snowfall instead of rain in winter. In the Indus Plain River, the summer rainfall is not always reliable. What are problems caused by if rainfall arrives too early, or if the rainfall arrives late, or if amount of rainfall varies considerably from year to year? So simple answer to it is that early arrival of monsoon means prolonged rainy season which may cause floods. Harvesting of rabi crops may be affected. The sowing of kharif crops may be affected. Late arrival of summer rain means less than usual rain. It will create drought conditions. It will badly affect crops in briny areas. If amount of rainfall varies, then farmer will be unable to plan sowing of crops which depend upon rain. Irrigation method will be needed in case of low rain, and excessive rain can affect sowing and may damage young plants.